Hello guys, welcome to ProValley.blogspot.com, the new way of learning. It is a series in which you will learn different programs installations. Myself Shivro. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Android Studio using Microsoft Windows 8. You can also act on the same process on the Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and also on Windows 10. The same process is installation of Android Studio on this platform. I am using Microsoft Windows, so just go through it with me. Now just open your web browser and search here Android Studio. So we are searching for the latest version of it, then you will be satisfied with the work. So click on it and just click on download button, click on checkbox and download Android Studio bundle 1.5 1.125, and just it is going to download. It will take 1.60 gigabit. I have already started the downloading because it takes a lot of time in installing the program, downloading the program. So as it is completed, you just need to open the folder where it is present. I need to download file where the download file is present, the file that is downloaded. So go and click on it. It is completed. Just open. If you are using Pages browser, then you can just right click on it, and you need two things. One is JDK for Android Studio installation, and the second is Android Studio itself. So just as you know how to download the Android Studio, you also need to download JDK, and it depends on your Windows bit that you can download it on 32-bit and 64-bit. So I have downloaded it as 64-bit. The black screen you watch because I just double clicked on JDK. So as I'm going to install it, it is just open and click on next. Click on next. It is removing the old file of Java. It is copying new files on it, and now it will extract installer. It will just take a little bit time to install it or our window. So this it's completed, and now it will just install the Java JDK and Java S. So click on next. It is installing Java. Java is a very powerful language. Now the installation process of Java is completed. Completing. You can see this is 64-bit, and you can also see that I already told you that you could also install 32-bit. Now just double click on Android Studio. Now just double click on Android Studio. After a few seconds it will execute its file, and it is verifying installer. It is taking some time. Now just click on next. And now just uncheck the Android virtual device, because we will click on I agree and click on next. It is the place where it will install its file, and the Android Studio will install Android Studio. Just click on next, install, click on next, and just it is extracting its files in the place where it will load or from where it will load its executable files. It took such a time, but it depends also on your PC or in your computer RAM, because you also need lots of memory for it. And now it is extracting Android SDK. It will take up to 10 to 15 minutes on your computer or on your PC. The PC and computer is same, but I am just telling you that if you are using Leppy and you are using your PC, so that's why. It is 100% completed and just showing detail. Click on next. Now it is installed successfully. Start Android Studio. It is just asking that if you have a previous installed with Android Studio, then you can click on import my setting, but I don't have, so that's why I don't have a previous version, so I will click OK. And now it is opening Android Studio. It will take a little time at first instance. And now it is complete loaded, and now it will open. And now it will, let's click on next, click on next, click on next, and now it will click on next, click on next, and now click on next. Just finish. It will need an internet connection. As internet connection will fast, the work will run very quickly. So it is downloading the files from internet. It will take up to 20 to 30 minutes, because if your internet connection is very fast, then the work will be very efficient. And you can see that the work is going to complete very fast because my internet connection is very fast, and it is completed. Don't be hesitate on this Hexam installation failed because it doesn't have installed at the first instance, so that's why it will be installed later, and it doesn't matter that if we install it first time or at the last instance. So it is completed. Now just click on finish. Now just click on finish, and your Android Studio is opened successfully. You will configure it later. Please subscribe to my channel, likes my video, and share it, comment it must, and thank you for watching.